Okay guys, this is a video on how to replace the cable for a gas cap. Notice this gas cap is popping up, so annoying. So there's a plunger that's over here, it's been since removed. You can see what it looks like before. This is what it looked like before it was inside. And this plunger is hard to remove, and especially if you're trying to replace the gas filler neck. This rubber piece is being held by that release. There's a little doodad that you'll see. This thing here went inside of here, and that was keeping the rubber I don't know, there's a good word for it, I don't know, but it was keeping that rubber thing from coming out. And so you have to go into the trunk, open up your panel that was over here. There's 1, 2, maybe 3 corresponding to these holes in this panel. Yeah, focus. Take that off. Take off this felt thing. There's going to be some kind of like Christmas tree, kind of like this little thing. Just pull it out from here and then pull it back. You see a whole bunch of cables. This is to the this cable goes to the trunk release, but there will be another cable that goes into your hole there, and that's your gas filler cable attachment. So the way to get it out is, once it's in there, you just grab a hold of it, turn it counterclockwise a little bit, pull it out. It may take a little struggle, it might take some pliers, but it'll come out. Now, it's hard to get the camera in there, but you can see that this what goes in like this, kind of like so, right by the gas filler. Anyway, so you twist the white plastic piece around, pull it out. This piece you can grab the pliers, squeeze it, push it out into the gas filler area. Now, the cable runs parallel to the trunk release cable. It goes through your back seat, comes out of here, runs down the bottom here, along this well. You gotta take out the door molding, you gotta take out the side molding here, you gotta lift up the carpet, and then you get to, let me put this piece away so I don't lose it. Get down to here where it goes into your releases. There's a 10mm bolt there. Release that, don't lose it, and then you pull this whole assembly forward. You may need to twist it, move it, but be patient. It'll come through, and just make sure that the cables aren't attached to all these places like here. That'll keep you from pulling it. So let me show you where they were attached very easily. So there's an attachment here, there's a little room here. So just make sure they're nice and loosey-goosey, and you should have no problems pulling that assembly forward. Once you pull the assembly forward, it's essentially it's like a bottle, only a barrel cable end. A barrel cable end that looks like so. You see the pink one here, and that corresponds to the pink one here. This is the old one. That's the new one I just put in. You pull the assembly through, and this little gas tank thing, it's on swivels. It swivels, but you can actually pull the lever out towards you along the axis, and that'll make it easier to install the barrel cable. But anyway, if you're halfway mechanically inclined, you'll figure this out. It took me a little while, but it was all good. Thanks for watching.